Prepare to embark on an immersive and unforgettable gastronomic odyssey in our video, Journey to the Heart of Mexico, a Culinary Exploration of Mole. This captivating journey invites you to delve deep into the vibrant tapestry of Mexican cuisine, uncovering the complexities, traditions, and tantalizing flavors of mole, one of the country's most cherished and intricate dishes. Our journey commences amidst the bustling and vibrant markets of Oaxaca, a place where the very air seems to shimmer with the intoxicating scents of chiles, chocolate, and a symphony of spices. As we meander through the lively stalls, you'll be transported into a world of vivid colors, exotic aromas, and the welcoming smiles of the local vendors who are the guardians of culinary traditions passed down through generations. Mole is not just a dish, it's a celebration of Mexico's diverse cultural influences and a testament to the country's profound connection with flavors. Join us as we delve into the art of crafting mole, a journey that takes us through the intricate process of combining a multitude of ingredients, including an intriguing array of chiles, aromatic spices, rich chocolate, and more. It's a meticulous alchemy that results in a sauce that dances harmoniously on the palate, delivering layers of flavor that evoke the essence of Mexico. As we traverse the charming streets of Puebla, often regarded as the birthplace of mole, you'll have the privilege of witnessing skilled cocineras at work. These culinary artisans are the keepers of age-old recipes, blending them with modern techniques to create mole that is both deeply rooted in tradition and infused with contemporary innovation. Each batch is a labor of love, a testament to the dedication and artistry that go into creating this culinary masterpiece. But our exploration extends beyond the kitchen. We venture into the heart of Mexico's diverse landscapes, from the lush valleys of Oaxaca, where ingredients like fresh avocado leaves are hand-picked, to the cacao plantations that produce the rich chocolate that is integral to mole's complex flavor profile. You'll gain a deeper appreciation for the natural bounty that enriches Mexican cuisine, a testament to the symbiotic relationship between the land and its people. Discover the profound cultural significance of mole in Mexican life, where it graces tables during festive occasions, weddings, and other special gatherings, uniting families and communities in the joy of shared meals. It's a dish that symbolizes the warmth, diversity, and unity of Mexico itself, transcending its culinary origins to become a cultural icon. Our video is more than just a culinary journey, it's a heartfelt tribute to the artisans, traditions, and flavors that make mole an indispensable part of Mexican identity. Join us as we savor every moment of this culinary exploration, and let the enchanting stories, captivating visuals, and mouth-watering aromas of Journey to the Heart of Mexico, a culinary exploration of mole, awaken your senses and ignite your passion for the rich tapestry of Mexican cuisine and culture. Prepare to be transported to the heart of Mexico, where the soul-stirring tales and tantalizing tastes of mole will leave an indelible mark on your heart and palate, deepening your appreciation for the culinary treasures of this vibrant and diverse country. It's more than just a video, it's an invitation to embark on a sensory and cultural adventure that promises to be both enlightening and deliciously memorable. Join us on this Epicurean journey to savor the essence of Mexico, one bite at a time, one story at a time.